What's up guys, welcome to part 2 of our video. In this video we're going to see on how we can implement the user registration module. You can check in our guideline or in the description of our video to see how we are going to implement this email and SMS marketing tool. In this video, according to our timeline, we have to create a user registration and the login. And in that case, I have decided to pick this Laravel Breeze package, which implements Laravel Breeze using Bootstrap. So as we know, the default Laravel Breeze uses TWILIO and CSS, and I'm not going to use that. So I'm just going to also leave the link in the description. You can just install this package and have fun using Laravel Breeze by using Bootstrap. So we're going to install this by running this command, require composer command. So I'm going to paste it. Okay, it is going to take some time to install, and so okay, I think they have some issue with the package. Okay, sorry guys, let me change the working directory and clear composer require. Okay, this one is running correctly. I'm going to pause the video and we'll get back when the composer is done. As you can see, Laravel Breeze Bootstrap package is already installed, and so we can come and install it using this command, php breeze install. And so after running this command, we will be required to run this npm install and run dev commands, because when you're going to the browser and try to open this page, it's the admin cast page. Let's go /login. You can see that the page is going to be like kind of broken or something. So to fix it, you'll need to install the npm and just run to compile it. So npm install. Okay, I'm going to pause the video to avoid time wastage. As you can see guys, npm is successfully installed all of its package. So we're going to run npm run dev, and I'm going to pause the video for it to complete compiling the files. So as you can see, the npm is successfully compiled. So let's get back to the browser and try to refresh the page and see how does it look right now. Okay, as you can see, everything is working fine. And so the first thing we need to deal with is having this kind of a routing group, so that every route to /admin will require a user to be like logged in. We're going to use /admin or /dashboard, so that the user who is going to visit this route must be logged in. So we're going to create a route group and add an auth middleware. Okay. So we're going to the route folder and the web. Okay, so we're going to open this. Okay, let me minimize the terminal and let me add the right group. So I just went to the Laravel website and copied and pasted this route group kind of template, and we are going to replace this middleware with our own middleware. This is auth middleware, which comes with Laravel, or which ships with Laravel by default. So every route inside this group must the user will be required to be like logged in to visit this route. So this is very powerful. So let's try to add this / into the group and refresh the page and see if we can kind of visit the welcome page. So if we open the welcome page, it is going to force us to log in. So we don't need this default route to be like the one for login. So what we are going to do now, we're going to create a prefix, route prefix or prefix. I don't know if it is spelled correctly. Okay, so in this prefix we're going to have dashboard, or actually /admin or whatever, something like this. So everything to /admin, the user must be logged in to visit this part. So let's see, /admin enter. We're going to be taken to the login page. Okay, I think you are getting me right. So for registration, we said we're going to register user by name, email, password, and their phone number. So it is time to go to the login view. Let's go to the login view. So we go to the views auth and find not login, actually register view. So we're going to take one of the input, copy and paste it, and we're done. So like this. So instead of email, you're going to have here phone for phone and phone. Okay, this is going to be anyway text. Okay, name for phone and phone for the old part. So I think we are done here. So if we go to the browser and refresh, we're going to have the input for phone. Okay, as you can see right here, we have this kind of a beautiful input. So in the placeholder, we can have something that is going to help user to know the format that they need to enter the contact. So e.g. Maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something like this. So this is more like easy for the user to understand what is going on in the format and know the number format that we need. So this one is not going to work directly. We need to add this into the fillable property in the model, and also come to the database, database and migration and user, and you're going to add the input for phone. Okay, phone, and it must be unique. Each user must register with a unique phone number, because yeah, it is good. It maybe we may at some point require the user to log in by their phone number, so it is the good idea to keep it unique. So after that, we're going to the app models and then user model. We're going to add it into the fillable property as phone. Also, we're going to the controller, HTTP controller, auth controller, and register user controller. You come down here and include it into the validation properties. So copy and paste and say this is going to be phone, and it is required, confirmed. You're going to remove this. You're going to say something like max should have 10 digits and a minimum of 10 digits. So with the exclusion of the country code. So after that, we're also going to copy and paste here. This is completely implementing or adding the phone field in the registration so that the user can easily register and add their phone number or with their phone number. So also in the phone field, we are going to add a unique and then table users. After that, we are good to go. We should connect our application to the database and migrate and see what how we can register with our phone number. So we come to the TMV file and add the valid database creation. I'm going to pause the video and create the database as fast. So as you can see, guys, I've already connected to the database. I'm going to run the php artisan migrate command. So the table is successfully migrated, and let's try to register. And I'm going to open the users table right here so that we can see if the user is successful registered. So marketing tool, where is the database marketing tool? Okay. So guys, I'm having some issue with my MySQL php admin, but I've just opened this terminal so that we can use it to view when the data is inserted. Okay. So I'm going to create a new account with my name, Novath. Okay. My email, novath52@gmail.com. Okay. The phone number is 06448555. Okay. Like this one, I guess. Okay. Password, going to add this password right there. Password. Okay. After that, I'm going to register and see if everything is going to go right. So I'm going to put a few digits to see if the system is going to detect and validate the data correctly. For now, must be at least 10 characters. So I'm going to add 5, and everything seems to be working fine, just as we expected. Okay, let's register. And as you can see guys, the registration was done successful, except for the template is not loading right, and I guess we are not going to use this, and I won't like deal with it anymore. But this registration seems to be working fine. And also let's see if the data was inserted. This is not must, but I'm just going to show you. So use marketing tool. Okay, so select all from users. Okay, as you can see, we have a user novath with email, whatever, and phone number is inserted successful. Thank you guys. This was so much for this tutorial, and this was registration module. If you have any opinion on what can I do to improve this tutorial and make it more like friendly, you can share in the comment. Also share with your friends, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.